Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify identity on ID.me. Alright, so let's begin. To verify your identity on ID.me, first log in to your account. Open your web browser or the ID.me application, tap the menu icon, and select the login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the home page. Next, tap the profile icon to navigate to your profile page. In the middle of the page, you will see an option labeled Verify. Click on it to proceed. You will then be prompted to choose a verification method. Select the option to verify using your ID. At this point, you can either take a photo of your identification using your smartphone or upload an image of your documents from your device. Follow the instructions carefully and ensure that all images and information are uploaded correctly. After submitting your verification details, it may take a few minutes or hours for your identity to be verified. During this time, patiently wait for a notification regarding the status of your verification. So that's basically how you can verify identity on ID.me. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.